Okay, welcome to another episode of Ham Radio on the Go. And in this video, we're going to go mobile onto 10 meters, HF band, SSB, and make a contact with Puerto Rico. And that's coming up next. Alright, welcome back to the channel. Now, have you noticed something on HF lately? Last few weeks? I'll tell you what, it's starting to percolate. Solar cycle 25 is here, and 10 meters is becoming quite active as of late, so we wanted to make a contact. We got on the air, mobile, SSB with the Anytone Alpha Tango Quad 6. And we took advantage of the band propagation. That's his antenna array right there, pretty impressive. And you wonder why a mobile station can make a contact to Puerto Rico. There it is right there. He's doing all the heavy lifting with his antenna array, but we still had fun making the contact. Look at that distance right there. New York to Puerto Rico. 1,600 miles, 2,600 kilometers into Fox Kilo 68. That's the island right there. He's on the North Shore. Now, you've heard of POTA, and they have what's called Park to Park. But today we're going to do YouTube to YouTube. That's right, Whiskey Papa 4 Romeo Fox also has his own YouTube channel, and while he was filming, so was I. So we're going to do a YouTube to YouTube channel right here. That's my channel. That was his channel. And that's my channel. So we're going to do a YouTube to YouTube 10 meter contact mobile to base on the Anytone Quad 6. Check it out.
Papa 4 Romeo Fox to secure 10 meters.
Kilo Charlie 2 Juliet Romeo Quebec.
Kilo Charlie 2 Juliet Romeo Quebec. Hello Joe, how you doing my friend? Good afternoon.
Very good. Good afternoon to you. I am mobile in New York City. Mobile in New York City. You are 5757. Over.
Okay, you are 55 to 57 also in Puerto Rico. I check my antenna now to the horizontal antenna. Joe, 55 to 57 also in Puerto Rico. Kilo Charlie 2 Juliet Romeo Quebec. Papa 4 Romeo Fox.
Okay, Roger. I see your YouTube channel. You could check my YouTube channel as well. I'll post this video in a few days. 7373. You can look me up on QRZ.
Okay, 73, God bless my friend. Thanks for the contact. Bye-bye. QRZ, Whiskey Papa 4 Romeo Fox to secure 10 meters.
Okay, there you have it. A 10 meter mobile contact with Whiskey Papa 4 Romeo Fox, the island of Puerto Rico from New York. 10 meter SSB on the Anytone Quad 6 Alpha Tango 6666. Now HF is starting to percolate. 10 meters, 12 meters, 15 meters. Get on the air and have some fun. Solar cycle 25 is here, and HF is a lot of fun when the band is open, so get in on it while you can. It's not always like this, especially on 10 meters. Comment below, like and subscribe for future videos right here on Ham Radio on the Go, and don't forget, check the description for the final word on 10 meter mobile. Thanks for watching. 7 3s.